Hello and welcome to Love British English. Today I've decided to go over 4 very common British idioms as well as 2 extremely common British phrases. So if you're ready to learn, let's begin. So the first idiom, in the nick of time. In the nick of time. This means just in time. Let me give you an example. We caught the train in the nick of time. So picture yourself racing for the train or the bus and you jump in just as the doors close behind you. That is in the nick of time, at the last possible moment. Next, we have the idiom to bite the bullet. To bite the bullet. If you bite the bullet, you face a difficult or unpleasant situation with bravery and courage. For example, she didn't want to move to a new city, but she decided to bite the bullet and embrace the adventure anyway. Idiom number 3, in a pickle. In a pickle. Sometimes we say in a bit of a pickle. In a bit of a pickle. So this means that you are in a difficult or troublesome situation. Slightly different from the previous one, because the previous one we face that situation or difficulty with bravery and courage. But in this one, you're just in a difficult situation, okay? You're in trouble. You're in a bit of a pickle. For example, I'm in a bit of a pickle. My train is delayed and I'm going to miss my meeting. The next idiom, to cry over spilt milk. To cry over spilt milk. This means to waste time worrying about something that cannot be changed. For example, sure, my train was delayed and I missed my meeting, but I'm not going to cry over spilt milk. I'll just catch the next one and get on with my day. So basically, there is nothing I can do about the situation, okay? I cannot change it, so there's no point in worrying about it. Once you spill the milk on the floor, all you can do is clean it up, okay? You cannot change the situation, so just get on with your day. Next, I have a very common phrase for you, and that is to throw a wobbly. To throw a wobbly. If someone is throwing a wobbly, they are throwing a tantrum, they're getting very upset and emotional. For example, I threw a wobbly when I found out that my train was delayed and I was going to miss my meeting. But I also did say that I wasn't going to cry over spilt milk. But don't worry, this is just for the purpose of this lesson. And last but not least, we have the phrase to take the mickey. To take the mickey. If you are taking the mickey out of someone, you are mocking them or teasing them in a playful or sarcastic way. For example, stop taking the mickey out of me. It's not funny. I'm basically saying, stop teasing me, stop mocking me. I don't find it very amusing. And that's it, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed those 4 idioms and 2 phrases. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. But for now, enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.